Can you understand what Austrian football fans are singing? Most learners of German can't. But after this video, you'll understand the most famous Austrian football chants. Servus and welcome back to the Austrian German tutorial. Have you ever watched an Austrian football match and wondered what the fans are singing? Today, I'll teach you some of the most popular Austrian football chants, what they mean in English, and when you'll hear them in the stadium. So let's get started. The first chant we take a look at is Jetzt geht's los. Jetzt geht's los. In English, we could say, here we go. Jetzt geht's los. This is one of the simplest Austrian football chants. Fans sing it right before the kickoff, and everyone joins in. So the atmosphere instantly comes alive. The second chant we focus on is Auf geht's Österreich, kämpfen und siegen. Auf geht's Österreich, kämpfen und siegen. In English, we would say, come on Austria, fight and win. This chant is often sung when the match has just begun. It is all about encouraging the players to give everything on the pitch. Chant number 3 is a very famous one. Immer wieder, immer wieder, immer wieder Österreich. Immer wieder, immer wieder, immer wieder Österreich. We could translate it as again and again Austria. This is probably one of the best known chants of the Austrian national team. It is simple, catchy, and every Austrian football fan knows it. The next chant we take a look at is a bit longer. It goes, wir singen rot, wir singen weiß, wir singen rot, weiß, Österreich. Wir singen rot, wir singen weiß, wir singen rot, weiß, Österreich. In English, we would say, we sing red, we sing white, we sing red, white, Austria. The colors of the Austrian flag are red, white, and red, and that is the background to this chant. By the way, it uses the melody of When the Saints Go Marching In. Chant number 5 is similar but shorter. Rot, weiß, rot, rot, weiß, rot. In English, do we know it? Red, white, red. If the fans are in a good mood, one side of the stadium may shout rot, the other side answers weiß, then everyone joins together, rot. It's short, loud, and really effective. The next chant we focus on is Auf geht's, schießt ein Tor. Auf geht's, schießt ein Tor. We can translate it as come on, score a goal. Sometimes people add Burschen, which means lads, or Männer, meaning men. You'll hear this when Austria is attacking, for instance. It's a direct way to urge the team forward. Sometimes fans clap along with the rhythm and make it even louder. And another chant is very simple, but nevertheless you come across it very often. Österreich, 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 meaning, as you know, Austria, Austria, Austria. Sometimes the simplest chants are the most powerful. Now you know some of the most popular Austrian football chants. So next time you watch Austria play, you'll know exactly what the fans are singing, and maybe you'll even join in. Which chant is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Austrian German. And by the way, I'll put some links down below so that you can listen to some example of the Austrian fan chants. So thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.